Unity. Unity denotes the state of being together for some reasons or causes. Unity brings success and happiness. Unity is a powerful tool for achieving shared goals and objectives in life. The impossible things can be done with the power of unity. Unity promotes peace and harmony among people. Unity is important factor for the country and family. Unity is important for the economy of country. Unity among the people save the society from crimes or corruption and calamities. Unity is a great power. No one can break it. We need to be united in difficult times to protect our country. Thank you.